Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for December 17th to the 29th. We're here to look at the EPO, and you can see it is negative. Other thing I want to look at now, we're going to go to Climate Prediction Center, is the PNA. And it's negative and remains negative through day 14. And the NAO is positive and remains positive through day 14. Models depict a trough in the west and a ridge in the east for December 17th to 21st. The polar vortex should organize and reform over northern Canada along with a ridge developing over the northeast Pacific. Temperature anomalies are forecast to be 15 to 25 degrees below normal across the northern plains and the upper Mississippi Valley late next week. A system moving into the Ohio and Tennessee Valley may result in heavy rainfall next weekend. To complicate matters, Gulf moisture may generate a secondary system with overrunning precipitation across the southern plains, southeast Appalachians, and portions of the Ohio and mid-Atlantic states over next weekend, flowing over a very shallow Canadian high. Okay, the ensembles forecast strong ridge to persist over the North Pacific with positive anomalies extending from the northern plains to the southwest for December 20th to 21st. And here we're looking at the GFS. You see we have a broad trough here. And we're going to go to that period, the 20th. Okay, there's the 21st. We have a positive trough here, southwest flow here in the east. And we have let's see if I can get the GFS to come up. That's the GFS ensembles here. Any day now. Okay, we're going to go to the GFS. And this is a GFS, and we still have our broad trough here. And as we go further into the period towards the end of the year, this trough gradually slides eastward. Now, the European, let me see if I can get this to come up. Here's a European, still shows a broad trough here. This is centered on the 18th, 19th, and 20th. And you can see it's pretty deep here with the trough digging into the west and the southwest. But compared to the GFS ensembles remains more amplified with the trough in the west. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region. For precipitation, below normal precipitation for this area, above normal precipitation here, and above normal precipitation for this region. So now I'm going to look at the period for December 25th to the 29th. And like I said before, the models are indicating the trough to progress eastward. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures along the west coast, across portions of the southeast, eastern Gulf Coast states, and below normal temperatures here For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region, above normal precipitation across this area here. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for December 17th to 29th. Thank you for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.